In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Yahoo email from Gmail. By the end, you'll have Gmail disconnected from your Yahoo mailbox, so Gmail stops fetching new Yahoo messages. This is useful if you previously linked the two accounts and you're ready to manage them separately again. Start by opening Gmail in your browser and signing in. If you see the account chooser, click your Google account to continue. If your account isn't listed, type your email address and proceed. Just follow the on-screen prompts until you reach your inbox. You might encounter standard security or verification screens depending on your setup. Continue through those as usual. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Quick Settings. From there, select See All Settings. This takes you to the full settings page, which gives you access to every configuration option you'll need. At the top, find and open the Accounts and Import tab. This is where Gmail manages linked accounts, import settings, and send as addresses. Take a moment to let the page load fully so all connected services appear. Next, locate your Yahoo connection. It typically shows under Check Mail from other accounts or near the Gmailify section if you use that. Beside your Yahoo address, click Unlink. This is the action that stops Gmail from checking your Yahoo mailbox going forward. A confirmation window will appear. Review the highlighted information carefully. Gmail usually displays options that explain what happens to messages already imported in any labels created for that connection. The highlighted area is there to help you understand whether existing emails will stay in Gmail and how they'll be organized after you disconnect. Read this section so you know exactly what to expect once the link is removed. When you're ready, confirm by clicking Unlink in the confirmation window. Gmail will process your request and complete the disconnection. After this, Gmail will no longer pull in new messages from your Yahoo account. Any messages that were previously imported into Gmail will remain as they are, based on the choices shown in that confirmation prompt. A couple of quick notes for clarity. If you set up forwarding inside your Yahoo account in the past, that forwarding is controlled in Yahoo and is separate from this Gmail unlink step. Also, it's normal to see past Yahoo messages in your Gmail inbox or under a label created during the import. Those are simply the messages that were already fetched. That's it. You've successfully removed your Yahoo email from Gmail. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to double check the steps.